Gold morning everyone. Sa atin mga nag-buy sa 2016.3, congratulations sa inyong lahat. Okay, let's dive into the narrative and the details. Bakit tayo nag-signal nung buy sa 2016.3? That was a basic SGC setup during New Year session. Okay, let's go into it. Okay, looking first, you should build your narrative first. Ito yung narrative na nagawa natin, di ba? Nagsabi ako dun. Just before hindi na tayo nag-trade ng pre-New York. Just before the opening of the New York session, already informed everyone that the initial bias for tonight is buy. Ba? Nagsabi na ako dun. And here, looking at the monthly candles. Bakit tayo tumitingin sa monthly? Because the monthly candle is, tanggalin muna natin tong pangalan natin. Yan. So the monthly candle na makita natin, because ang petsa ngayon is, kahapon, it's 28 November 29:30. So this week is the last week for the monthly candle, or the last week for the month. Okay, so you look at the monthly time frame so that you have an anticipation of what will the candle look like at the end of the month. Okay. Also, you consider na ito yung end of the month. Ano kaya magiging structure nung monthly time frame para ma-anticipate mo kung saan ka tatalpak, or ma-anticipate mo what's the structure or yung forma ng kandila, kung anong closing niya. So, sa atin, it's purely yung technicals yung ginawa natin doon sa Soggy King na asas SGC natin. And also, there's anticipation kung anong gagawin ng market. So, here it is. So, nakita natin that this is the monthly opening, the 1982. And then, it broke this high dito nung zoom natin. It already broke the high of the previous candle, yung wick niya sa 2009. So, it's telling everyone na sa GC natin that this high should hold in order for the bullish momentum to continue, di ba? Itong 2009. So lagyan natin siya ng line dyan. So that would be your support, di ba? I was telling everyone that stop losses should be below that 2009 kung wala pa kayong kung gusto niya talaga mag-enter, but hindi man tayo nag-signal ng enter because that's not a solid hindi siya solid na entry. Okay, so 2009 will act as a support, one monthly range then one monthly range there. So looking at this one, ang presyo nun is 2015. Nag-consolidate doon ng 2015, diba? So it already broke 2009. So the 2009 will have yung 2009 na yan is a very significant level in order for the bullish momentum to continue. And then kung na-break na yan, meron siyang range candle. So this one is a rejection month, diba? Ito yung rejection candle. Okay, so the rejection month na yan, rejection candle, and then this is a rejection week. Nag-trace down na yan, down, and created support here. So invalidated na yung rejection. But the range candle here is not yet tested, diba? Kita nyo yung range candle na to, this bullish candle, and there's a range there. Ito yung range na week. So, na-break niya tong resistance dito. It should have a range here, the 49 points or 2050. So yun yung naging TP natin, it's a 2050. Okay, so sa monthly time frame, you already have the bias na magbabuy ka. So sa monthly, lagay natin dyan, monthly TF time frame equals buy. Okay, so may buy ka sa monthly time frame because of the structure. Okay, so sa structure ng monthly, meron ka ng buy. Okay, so according sa monthly time frame, so bakit tayo nakatingin doon? Because it's the end of the month. Okay, so looking at the 4-hour candle na yung monthly, natin. Yan, monthly. Yan. So looking at the 4-hour candle just before yung natin, yung breakout. So the entry was taken dun sa 30-minute time. Again, the 4-hour candle, ito yung ginagawa niya. Okay? So meron siyang ginawa dito. Ayan. This was a higher resistance here, and a higher resistance here, but the volume or the momentum is now slowing in kasi Asian to. And then during the London, nag-down siya. Okay, nag-down siya sa London. Then I was thinking, okay, it broke the low here. So maybe yung mga stop loss na yung breakout strategy is taken out. So looking at 30, dito tayo nag-enter sa 30 minutes. So looking at the 30-minute candle, sabi ko doon, always remember this one. Lahat ng mga resistances na kine-create ng Asian session is a weak resistance. So number one resistance na kine-create ng Asian session is this one. And then it was corrected agad. Walang volume yun. Okay? Breakout here and no volume. Na-correct siya. Nakalos mga 50 to 70% correction. And then tinest ulit yung resistance, hindi siya na-break because it's a low volume Monday. Di ba? Walang volume yung Monday. Hindi niya ma-break. Yung weak na nga yung resistance, hindi pa ma-break because of the low volume Monday. And here, this was created. Yung support na ito, na-create during a high volume time. So this is the the New York, the unloading of the New York. So yan yung unang signal natin na mag-unloading yung New York hanggang 2005, but hanggang 2000, yan, to 2005.82. If you remember our signal last time, yung sell, and then during the unloading, sabi ko, magbibelow 2010. So 2010, bibelow na siya. And here, and then it created a rejection candle. Ito yung rejection candle na to. Itong bullish candle during the New York session. It is a rejection candle. And then closed above and consolidated above the 2009. So makikita natin, etong zone na ito, it's a solid support. Bakit? It was created during the New York session. And also, meron kang solid support dito which okay. So according to your 30-minute time frame, natin. Sa monthly mo, sa H4 mo, there's sa H4 time frame, meron kang pullback. And as a 30-minute candle mo, you have a support created below 2009 solid NY session. And during unloading of London and NY session. Okay. So sa 30-minute candle, meron kang support created below 2009 solid, then unloading of London and New York session yon. So this one, ito yon. Kita natin yan. Ito yon. Ito yung banda. Okay. So your prices are supported below 2009. Okay. Ano nangyari dito? This is a weak resistance. So you also have weak resistance here. Okay, you have a weak resistance here. This is created during the Asian session. The London session is accumulating volume here. So this is your another so meron kang weak resistance dyan and another solid support during London. Okay, so the London session created only a solid support. And then yung nag-overlap na si London at saka si New York, it was tested, di ba? Nag-down pa siya. So nag-down. Why didn't I signal a Soggy King setup? Bakit SGC setup yun natin? Kasi kung Soggy King setup lang yung ginawa natin, dito na tayo nag-enter. Ito. But you will go into drawdown. Okay? So Ito, kita natin. So if it was a Soggy King setup, hindi siya solid na Soggy King setup. Since na yung ginawa dito is mag-spike pa siya down before the breakout. So hindi tayo nag-Soggy King noon because of yun nga. Yung structure na to lower highs, creating a lower na flat yan dyan. Okay. So para makita nyo, it was a lower high, and a flat. Ito yung flat. Okay. High, and a flat. Okay. So, hindi siya masyadong maganda kung i-Soggy King natin. Kasi nag-flat yun. Then, baka mag-create a lower high again. So, that was the thinking na, sabi ko, baka hindi maganda i-Soggy King. It would take you into drawdown. Okay. So, yun nga, nag-drawdown siya. This support created by the London was really tested by the New York opening. And nung nag-green candle siya dito, nung bumalik na siya, and then it broke this high at the 2015.8. Okay? So, nag-break sa 2015.8. Ang ginawa natin, we signaled a signal the buy on the 2006.3 level. So, meron tayong 2006.3 level. So, signal buy 2006.3 level and put a stop loss on the 2012. Yun yung stop loss na. This week, this is a rejection week. Again, it is a rejection. So again, this is a rejection week. Katulad nung New York session, this one, and this one's rejection week. Then the target was 2050 doon and it broke. Nag-breakout na siya. Okay, so typical SGC level. Bakit naging SGC level yon? So nearing a resistance here. Resistance created during the Asian session. This is very weak. Then, yung forma ng kandila, hinihintay natin lagi yung ganitong forma. Okay, a retrace down, then rejection, breaking it high, breaking the resistance here. Ayun. At saka lumipad si gold hanggang another SGC here. Kung hindi kinakanta is another SGC setup hanggang lumipad na. Okay, so ano mangyayari ngayong araw, ngayong mga patapos na araw, I don't know what will happen. So, dito na-create na siya ng solid na resistance level. Pag na-break to ni Asian, maybe retrace, then again, SGC level, ganoon. Hindi natin alam. So, I'm not really sure kung ano mangyayari dyan. Magbabasa muna tayo because it's a monthly candle. Di pa niya nakukuha yung 50. It could shoot up 50 or overshoot hanggang i-overshoot niya to and continue its bullish momentum pagpasok nung monthly time frame December. Okay, hope na may nakuha kayo dito na pag-build ng narrative, how to build a narrative, how using only the technicals, and yung fundamental pala dito ay yung rebalancing. Okay, the fundamental here is the rebalancing of investors during end of the month. Okay, ano ba yung rebalancing? It's like sa investor, you want to secure some profits for the month. Ano yung mga ano yun sa monthly sa monthly profits mo, sa secure mo. So every month may rebalancing na nangyayari. That's why you look into the monthly time frame kung ano yung magiging structure niya, ano yung magiging sentiment ng isang investor on the monthly time frame. Okay, so parang ganito. So titingnan mo, there are wicks up. So will the wicks be tested? Ito yung mga ito. So sa monthly time frame mo na yun i-anticipate or yung end of the month mo na siya i-anticipate. Right? So good luck everyone. I hope na may nakuha kayo dito kahit konting aral and konting technique pag build ng narrative. So this was a SGC setup. So napaka ganda ng structure niya, and building the narrative was very very good then. Solid supports during, kaya gamit na gamit yung looks algo na to kasi mas madaling i-explain yung kasi pag tinanggal, kung hindi ka pa familiar sa sessions or sa timing ng market, hindi mo makikita kung saan nangyari yung support na yan, saan nangyari yung resistance niyan. With the help of this indicator, makikita natin, during London pala to, so solid pala to. During Asian pala to, this is very weak. Okay, so gaganon ka lang. Alright, so this one is solid na naman kasi because it's London and New York. So solid yung prices dyan. Solid yung prices dito. So solid yung magiging support mo dyan. Then it'll break out. Okay? So ganun lang naman. So hope everyone has profited about in the setup. So sana malaki yung profit nyo. So nag-enjoy kayo dyan sa mga profits nyo. If you're in drawdown, sana nakabawi kayo dito sa setup na to. Okay? So just remember, just trade 1 to 2 trades a day. You will be trading sa isang buwan ng mga 40 to 50 or 60 times. So 60 times na yun ay meron kang matutunan, no, sa sa 60 times na pagtitrade mo. Kasi kung 60 times na nagtitrade sa isang araw, wala kang matutunan doon. Yung matutunan mo lang doon, ay meron pala. Matutunan mo doon over trading. Kaya hindi mo mababacktest, hindi mo ma-analyze kung ano yung mga pinaggagawa mo. Ano yung dapat na gagawin mo. Kasi sa dami ng trade mo, hindi mo na alam kung saan yung tama at saan yung mali. So, dito sa atin, alam natin kung saan tayo nagkakamali, saan tayo tumatama. Then, we can also put some narrative, paano tayo mag-build bago tayo mag-trade ng isang trade. Okay? So, always think before you click. Before you click your MetaTrader, always think. Alright? So, hope everyone has may natutunan. And I think this is all for the video. Just review it. Maganda yung setup nito. Maganda yung pagkakuha natin. And kung hindi ka pa na-subscribe, subscribe to YouTube and join the Telegram. So, yung ating academy is almost na siyang matapos. Okay? So good luck everyone. Hope you have a very good day today and a very good week.